This video from Ziztel is an introduction to our Paga system. Initially designed for oil and gas installations, it is now also used in the nuclear, marine and the defense industries. For any Paga system to work, you need the following four components: microphone input, amplification, management, and output field devices such as loudspeakers or beacons. For microphone input, Ziztel have a range of products, including IP66 safe and hazardous area units with duplicated microphones, membrane keys, as well as devices incorporating touchscreen access panels. With our amplifiers, Ziztel has two main options. First, our cassette-based, hot-swappable Class G amplifiers. Very compact in design, we can accommodate 9 amplifiers in a subrack and up to 5 subracks in a 19-inch rack. This is a total of 45 amplifiers and over 15 kilowatts of amplification in a single rack. The second amplification option is our compact pause amplifier, a minified Paga system in a 3U chassis. The device incorporates a primary path for speech and alarm tones, utilizing modern features such as touchscreen access, Ethernet, fiber optic connectivity and hot standby. Up to 2000 watts can be provided from a single unit. The core operation of the Paga system is not reliant on software. Software is not in the critical path of the design. Consequently, our systems have very high reliability. Built on top of this core system, our ZMIS Management software layer provides operators with an intuitive interface and flexible control through 4 simple color-coded panels. These include routine, emergency, intercom and events. The latter being a historical data logging screen which shows previous activations with time date stamps. The ZMIS Paga management system is scalable from simple centralized systems to large distributed networks covering hundreds of nodes. For the supply of field equipment, Ziztel manufacture our own range of beacons, including xenon, high-intensity LED, single and combined multicolor units. For audio, we work with the leading manufacturers of speakers. We have developed the leading technology for individually addressable speakers, ZADs. This is interfaced with our ZMIS management software, enabling system speakers to be individually monitored and volume tappings changed by touchscreen at the central locations. Simple, flexible, reliable and using standard single-pair cable. This completes our introduction to the Ziztel Paga system.